Now next type is the solving problem related to the direct proportions using definition. So I am going to build a definition for the direct proportion. So shall we go through this definition? So if I have ratio two quantities in the same ratio A and B, another quantity U and V, you have done this one think as a number of pens, this one think as a price of the corresponding number. So you can see these two have relation A and U, B and V. So you know in the first I think you remember that first table. In the first table, if you take the A to B, A to B, it should be U to V. I told you according to the direct proportion theory, the ratio between these two quantities should be equal ratio between these two quantities. So then you can write this ratio as A divided by B, U divided by V. This is a mathematical concept. If you have the ratio here, that's mean division. Then what I supposed to do? I have to done the cross multiplication. So V multiplied by A and B multiplied by U. So after the cross multiplications, I can use this one as a formula or equation. So how do you do that? So the same questions, if you want to repeat this video or previous video, you have to check the same questions. Cost of the 5 pen 105, what is the cost of 8? So how do you do that? Before you are going to do the problem, you have to identify what are the quantities. There are two quantities, number of pen as well as cost. You have good knowledge about that. So number of pen 5 to 8 and the cost of pen is 505. Then 8 how much? So which you want to find, you have to put it as a x in here. Then you can see the relation I told you. You have to write these two as a ratio 5 to 8 and these two as a ratio 105 to x. Look at this, very easy. Write the ratio in this side, your left side, and the ratio, write the ratio for your right side. Now write it as a division. Then this is looks like equation. So how do you solve this equation? You have to take the cross multiplication. Then 5x equal 105 into 8. So divide by either side by 5. You can get the 105 into 8 divide by 5. Then you can cut this 5 and 105. What will be it? It is 108, 168. Same system. So you have to build this block, otherwise you can't solve this. So you have to build the relations, then write these two as a ratio, very easy, these two as a ratio, then write this as a division, then use your equation knowledge. So shall we shift another problem related this method? If a person walking at the constant speed take a 5 minutes to walk 100 meters, calculate the distance he walk in the 12 minutes. So you can see your previous video, same problem. I'm going to use another methods. I took a same questions because you can you have idea about how to use these two types. Same answer we are getting using different kind of the method. So how do you do that? First of all, you have to identify what is the two quantities in here, time and distance. For the 5 minutes it's 12. What is the 8? It is 805 minutes and 12 it's x. Then how do you do that? You have to write these two as a ratio, these two as a ratio. Look at this. From the definition, I write 5 to 12 equal 100 to 8. Then write it as a division. This ratio can be write as a division. Then get the cross multiplication. Then you get the x equal 100, 800 multiplied by 12 divided by 5. Then your answer is x equal 100, 1920. Okay, so you have to check your previous video again, then you can realize what is the difference between same questions I have done the two method. Okay, So now I will go with the third question for the same method. Find the price at which an item bought for 1000 should be sold to the earned profit 100%. So in this case, what are the two ratio? First one is the cost price, another one is the selling price. So you know 100% meaning when the cost price is 100, what will be the answers? 110. So 1000, what is the selling price? So you can write these two as a ratio and these two as the ratio, then write it as a division, get the cross multiplication, and you have to subtract x. The final answer is 100, sorry, 1100 rupees. Final answer, that is the selling price of our uh, item. So I think this lesson you have done fourth one, profit percentage. You can easily solve using direct proportion. Now I am going to explain. Okay, another example. Find the amount needed by an item worth 800 from the shop which is offered discount 10%. So you can write mark price and selling price. You have to figure out what are the quantities inside this problem, 100 to 8,000, then relation between 90 to x. Then you can write 100 to here. Look at this ratio mark here. Also you can put the ratio. Then you write as a division. Then get the value for x. You can subject x and find the value for x.